Hello, in this video I am going to explain Hello World program in C++ programming language. So now let's begin. First we have to go to File and then New. I am using Turbo C++ software. A C++ program typically contains preprocessor directive statements at the beginning. Such statements are preceded with a hash symbol to indicate the presence of preprocessor directive to the compiler, which in turn lets the preprocessor handle the hash directive statement. All C++ program begins with a hash include directive that includes the specified header files content into the main program. I have used hash include iostream.h and hash include conio.h directives in the program. These directive causes the preprocessor to add the contents of the iostream file and conio file to the program. It contains declarations for the identifier cout and operator insertion, which I will explain after some time. So now let's proceed further. Every program execution begins with a main function. By default, the return type of the main function is int, but I am specifying void. This is the body of the main function. Every statements which you wanna write in your program, you have to specify inside the body of the main function. The first function I will use is clrscr. This is a function used to clear the output screen before the program displays some output. The use and benefits of this function I have explained in my previous video. I will be providing in the description. Then we can write whatever statements which we want to execute. So now I want to execute a string which should be displayed on the console. For doing so, I'm gonna use an output operator which is an object, and that output operator is cout. Cout is used to display anything into the console. Then I will use insertion operator. This operator inserts or sends the content of the variable or values on its right to the object on its left. So here my value is a hello world string. Now, after doing so, I'm going to call another function which is getch. The properties of this function I have explained in my previous video. I will be providing the link in the description. So now let's save the program. For saving, go to File and then click on Save. You can give any name you want. For example, I'm going to name my program as hello.cpp is the extension for C++ programming language files. Alright, so click on OK. Now my program is saved. We can run directly because when we click on run, it first compiles the program and then it will run. So my program is having no error and now the output is being displayed. Press enter to exit from the user screen. That's all in this video.